Hello dear history lovers. Today, we're going on an amazing journey back in time to the era when America decided to disappear. Well, not the whole country, just alcohol. Prohibition was perhaps the most incredible social experiment in US history, which led to completely unexpected consequences. On January 16, 1920, something unimaginable happened. The 18th Amendment to the Constitution came into force. From that moment on, the production, sale and transportation of alcohol were banned throughout the country. But what really happened? Instead of the promised prosperity, America plunged into real chaos. First, the rise of organized crime. Names like Al Capone, Bugs Moran and other gangsters became legendary. Just imagine the mafia's income from illegal alcohol trade reached $60 million a year. In today's money, that's nearly $1.5 billion. Second, speakeasies, secret bars. To get into such a bar, you needed to know a special password. Behind an inconspicuous door hid luxurious interiors, jazz music, and alcohol. In New York City alone, there were more than 30,000 such establishments. Third, medicinal alcohol loophole. Clever Americans quickly found a way around the law. Doctors massively prescribed medical whiskey. In just 1921, 6 million such prescriptions were issued. But the most shocking thing was the cruelty of the authorities. In 1926, the government began deliberately poisoning industrial alcohol used by bootleggers. The result, 10,000 dead. December 5, 1933 became a historic date. The 21st Amendment repealed Prohibition. Why did this experiment fail? First, you can't force people to accept what they don't want. Second, the ban created more problems than it solved. Third, the Great Depression completely undermined people's faith in this law. Fun fact, the first legal shipment of beer after repeal was delivered straight to the White House for President Roosevelt. What do you think, friends? Could Prohibition have worked under different circumstances? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time in the fascinating world of history.